This is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So in order to do that, I'm usually using the Google Drive app. That's the most convenient way, at least the one that I know of. Especially considering the fact that in most scenarios the Drive app will come pre-installed with the system, so you will not have to download any additional apps. But if you do not have it, just get it for free from Play Store. Then launch the Drive app, sign into your Google account if necessary. As you can see, in my case, the verification has been requested, so I will quickly enter the password to my Google account over here. And you know what, before I will proceed, let me remove my previous documents that I have over here. So once you're ready to take a scan, tap at the plus button or plus sign over here. Choose scan option, grant Drive the camera permission or camera access. Once the camera interface gets launched, take the document that you were looking to take a scan of. Lay it as flat and straight in front of you as possible, since the better scan we will take, the better outcome we will get as the PDF file. Then align it with the camera, make sure that your document occupies the whole viewfinder space, and take a photo. Then look at the result, check the results that you've gotten, see whether you are satisfied with it. If not, redo the picture. If you are ready to proceed, then we'll proceed. In here at the following interface, we are able to, for example, crop the image. As you can see, it has been automatically cropped incorrectly, so I will edit what part of photo will result in will be in the eventual PDF file. Then you can also trim off the edges, for example. So you can also decide whether you would like for your scan to be in color or black and white. And in here, once you're ready to proceed, just tap at the save button, rename the document if necessary, change the folder that you would like to save it to if necessary as well, and then hit that save button at the bottom right corner. And once the file gets uploaded to Drive, you can see the scan that you've the outcome that you've gotten. And here's mine. Looks like a decent scan if you ask me. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.